Good day, my dear students. For today's video, we're going to talk about time between dates, that is solving for the actual time and the approximate time, and also the ordinary and exact interest of the problems. So first po, let's have this problem. Determine the number of days between March 12, 2023 to September 20, 2023. Use actual and approximate time. So first, let's define what actual time is. So kapag actual time po, my dear students, ang laging tatandaan, calendar. Opo, kung ilan po yung days sa isang month ng calendar, yun po yung isusulat natin. So therefore, maglalaro lang po sa 30, 31, 28, or 29 ang mga days natin. 29 po yung gagamitin natin kay February kapag ito po ay leap year. So, paano nga po uli natin malalaman na leap year ang isang year? When the year is divisible or when the last two digits of the year is divisible by 4. So, halimbawa, 2012, o yung last two digits niya po is 12. Is 12 divisible by 4? Yes, it is. Meaning to say, 2012 is leap year. So, halimbawa, kapag sinabi natin 2028, is 2028 a leap year? Yes, it is because 28 is divisible by 4. So kapag yung last two digits po again is divisible by 4, that is a leap year. So years po other than the ones that are divisible by 4, regular year lang po sila. Ang gagamitin po natin sa February is 28. Now what is approximate? Approximate time. Yung pinagkaiba niya po dito kay calendar, kung ito po kay actual, lahat po, lahat ng numbers kailangan makita sa calendar. Dito po sa approximate time, ina-approximate lang po natin na lahat ng month is composed only with 30 days. Opo. So using this problem, solve nga po natin kung anong actual and approximate time ng days between March 12, 2023 and September 20, 2023. So first, let us have the actual time. So sabi nga po natin, di ba, kung ilan po yung number of days sa isang month sa calendar, yun po yung sa actual. So we have March po, start tayo sa March, April, May, June, July, August, September. At sa September po siya nag-end, kaya September 20, 20 po dapat yung ilalast natin. So paano po natin malalaman yung number of days? We can use the calendar. However, hindi naman kasi natin araw-araw dala yung calendars natin. So ibig sabihin, pwede po tayong gumamit ng ating mga knuckles. So sa knuckles po natin, di ba, meron po tayong mga bones dyan. Ito pong may mga bones that signifies as 30. 1. Opo, yung mga spaces in between, sila po yung 30. Again, yung may mga buto po or that is our bones po sa knuckles natin, yun po, meron po tayong 31 dyan. Yung mga spaces in between, 30 po. So, let's start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July. At kapag po kay July, di ba, nasa little finger na siya, uulit po siya kay August. August, September, October, November, December. And sabi ko nga po, lahat ng may buto, 31 days po. Lahat ng wala, 30 or 28 or 29, depende po kung leap year or not leap year. Kapag leap year po, 29. Kapag non-leap year, 28. Dito tayo nag-start kay March. And March po, meron po tayong 31 days. So since sabi natin nag-start tayo kay 12, so, ang gagawin natin, ma-minus natin yan. 31 minus 12, that will give us 19. So, sa March po, in between po kay March 12 hanggang kay September 20, yung natitirang days na lang po under kay March is 19. Opo, 19. At April po, we have 30, May 31, June, we have 30 again, July 31, and August 31. Now, using our calculators, let's calculate how many days are there between March 12 to September 20, 2023. So we have 19 plus 30 plus 31 plus 30 again plus 31 plus 31 plus 20, that will give us 192. So meaning to say, in between the said dates, there are 192 days. Opo, in between March 12, 2023 and September 20, 2023. So kapag approximate naman po, madali lang. Tapos approximate po, 30 lang po lahat ng months, regardless po kung leap year or non-leap year. So March po, there are 30 days din sa March. So 30 minus 12, that is 18. So ibig sabihin po, para matapos yung March, kailangan pa ng 18 days. So here we have 18, 30 sa April, ganun din po sa May, June is also 30, July is also 30, August is also 30, and September is 20. Bakit po 20? Kasi siya po yung stop, September 20, 2023. Now, adding them all, so 18 plus 30 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so that is 5, that is 150, plus 20 again. So that will give us 188. Suppose Eunice deposited 50,000 pesos in a bank offering 7% interest rate. If she deposited the money last March 12, 2023 and planned to get it by September 20, 2023, how much is her earning using the following? So letter A, actual time, exact interest. B, approximate time, exact interest. C, actual time, ordinary interest. And letter D, approximate time, ordinary interest. So kanina po, na-compute na natin kung ano po yung time in between March 12, 2023 at September 20, 2023. And using the actual time, ang na-compute po natin kanina is 192. And under naman po by approximate, ang na-compute po natin is 188. Now, sabi po dito, di ba, how much is her earning? Pag sinabi po nating earning, that is interest. So we have I is equal to PRT. So given po natin, RP po or the principal is 50,000 pesos. And yung rate po natin is 7% and that is 0.07 in decimal times the actual time. So that is 192 over exact interest. Ngayon po, ano pinagkaiba ng exact interest and ordinary interest? Kapag exact interest po, there are 365 days in 1 year. Dito po kay ordinary or the banker's interest, we have 360 lang po. Kapag hindi po specified kung exact or ordinary, always use the ordinary because it is also known as the banker's interest. Ibig sabihin po, yung mga bangko kalimitan na ginagamit is 360. So dito po nakalagay exact interest, so we have 365 here. Okay, sa mga calculators again na wala pong ganitong symbol, we have this fraction symbol, we have the box over box. Kapag wala po kayong ganun, pag may nakita ko po kayong A over B na symbol sa parte din pong ito, yun po yung gagamitin natin. So dito po, kung isa-isahin natin sila, dito po tayo mag-i-start. So 192 divided by 365, that is equal to ganito po. So, I highly suggest na upon po computation, tuloy-tuloy lang po yung calculator. Huwag po munang magra-round off. Magra-round off po tayo sa final answer. So, dito po, pwede naman natin siyang i-round off, pero sa calculator, wag. So, we have 50,000 times 0.07. That is approximately times 0.53. So, kahit po 0.53 yung sinulat natin, ito pong nandito sa calculator, yun pa rin po yung gagamitin natin na result. Wag pong is 0.53 times 0.07. So, that will give us again approximately 0.036 or that is 37. 50,000 times 0.037 times 50,000 we have 1,841.10 approximately. So at saka lang po tayo magkakaroon ng rounding off kapag nasa final answer na po tayo. So our answer now is 1,841.10. This is our final answer. For letter B naman po, again, also we have I is equal to PRT. And our principal po again, that is 50,000 times po the rate of 0.07 times the time of, this time approximate naman po. So pag sinabi po natin approximate time and exact interest, ito po 188 over 365. So we have 188 over 365 and we're going to use our calculators now. So 188 divided by 365, that is equal to 0.52. So 50,000 times 0.07 times 0.52 approximately. Times, sabi ko nga po, dire-diretso lang, huwag po magra-round off sa calculator. Times 0.07, that is equal to 0.036 again. Or that is 0.037 again. So still, 50,000 times 0.037 times this time 50,000 ulit. So our result now is 182 or 1,802. Our interest will be 1,802.74. This is our final answer for approximate time, but using exact interest. Now for letter C again, we have I is equal to PRT. So we have 50,000 again, times the rate, which is 0.07, times the time. Pero dito po sa time natin, actual time daw po and ordinary interest. So we have actual time of 192 over 360 this time. Because kapag sinabi nga natin ordinary, dapat 360 lang po siya. So now, using our calculators again, 192 divided by 360, our answer will be 0.53 approximately. So yun po yung isusulat natin. Rounded off po yung isusulat natin, pero upon calculating, wag pong magra-round off kahit na kailan. Except po sa last lang po, sa last or final answer. So we have 0.53. So times 0.07. So that will give us 0.037 again. $50,000 times 0.037 times 50,000 now. So our interest now is 1,866.67. This is our final answer for letter C, actual time and ordinary interest. So for letter D naman po tayo, again, we have approximate time, but this time ordinary interest. So we have I is equal to PRT again. We have 50,000 times 0.07 times the time of 188 for the approximate time all over 360. So that is 188 divided by 360 is equal to 0.52. 50,000 times 0.07 times 0.52. So 0.52 times 0.07, that will give us 0.037 again. So our interest now is 1,827.78 approximately. Now, what if we have this problem? Ralph is planning to borrow 70,000 pesos from a bank offering 2% interest rate. He is planning to have it by January 7, 2024 until October 5, 2024. What is his interest using the following? A. Actual time exact interest. B. Approximate time exact interest. C. Actual time ordinary interest. And letter D. Approximate time ordinary interest. So first things first, 'di ba, meron tayo ditong time in between dates, meaning to say, kailangan po muna nating i-identify ang actual time and yun pong approximate time na meron tayo in order for us to get the exact and ordinary interest afterwards. So yun po muna yung gagawin natin. First is to determine the number of days between January 7, 2024 to October 5, 2024 using the actual and approximate time. And again, we're using our knuckles. Okay, in actual time, let's start with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October. So sabi natin, mag-stop siya sa 5, October 5. So sa January po, actual time is 31 minus, kailan nag-start? 7. So we have 31 minus 7. That is equal to 24. So we have 24 in January. February po, since 2024, alam po natin na leap year siya because 24, the last two digits, is divisible by 4. So 24 divided by 4, that is 6. So divisible po siya. And February, therefore, must have 29 days. Sa March naman po, we have 31. April, we have 30. Sa May po, we have 31 again. June, 30. July, 31. August. So for July, we have 31. August, 31 again. And September, we have 30. So now let's calculate. We have 24 plus 29 plus 31 plus 30 plus 31 again plus 30 plus 31 plus 31 plus 30 plus 5. So that will give us 272. So for the actual time, we have 272 days. So dito naman po tayo sa approximate. Sa approximate, madali lang po. Kasi lahat po ng months may 30 days sa approximate time. So we have 30 minus yung starting natin which is 7. So we have 23. So January po, we have 23. Sa February, we have 30. March, we have 30. April, we have 30. May, we have 30. June, we have 30. July, we have 30. August, we have 30. September, we have 30. And October, we have 5 kasi siya po yung nag-end. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So dapat may 10 tayo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So correct naman. So dito po, we have 23 plus ilan po yung 31, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 30, that is 240 plus 5, that will give us 268. So therefore, dito po sa approximate time, we have 268 days between January 7, 2024 to October 5, 2024. Now, tandaan po na actual natin is 272 and yun pong approximate natin is 268. Now, going back to our problem, we have the actual result or the actual time is 272 and the approximate is 268. Now, my dear students, for letter A, Ralph is planning to borrow 70,000 from a bank. So this is 270,000. This is the principal. 2%, that is the rate. And he is planning to have it by January 7 until October 5. What is his interest? So interest po yung hinahanap. Interest yung hinahanap with the use of these times. So we have I is equal to PRT. Again, that is 70,000 naman this time. Times 0.02. Times the time of actual time daw po dito. The actual time is 272 all over exact interest. So exact interest, again, we have 365. Now, calculating it, right to left naman po tayo this time. So we have 272 again. So we have 272 divided by 365. That will give us 0.75 approximately. Approximately po yung isusulat natin, pero yung pag-calculate dapat is tuloy-tuloy. Again, kapag isusulat, pwede pong i-approximate. However, pag pag calculation, upon calculation, kailangan po tuloy-tuloy. So 0.75 tayo dito. Pansamantala, times 0.02. That is 0.015. Now, times again the principal, which is 70,000. So that is 1,043.29. So our interest po using the actual time and exact interest is 1,043.29. This is our final answer. Actually, this is the question that I've given you, diba, in our quiz. So this is the correct answer po. Now, how about the approximate time naman but exact interest? So again, that is I is equal to PRT. Again, that is 70,000 times the rate of 0.02 times the time of approximate, that is 268 all over 365. Kasi nga po, we're still dealing with exact interest. So that is 268 divided by 365. That will give us 0.73. Now, continuing it, we have times 0.02. That will give us 0.015. Times 70,000. That will give us 1,027.95. 1,027.95. So this is the correct answer, okay? For letter B po, approximate time and exact interest. So for letter C naman po, still we have I is equal to PRT. And the principal is 70,000 pesos times the rate of 0.02 times the time. We have the actual time, so that is 272 over the ordinary interest. So since ordinary interest siya, 360. So we have, calculator po uli natin from right to left. Okay, so we have 275 or 272 divided by 360. That will give us 0.76 approximately. Now, our result will be multiplied also by 0.02. That will give us 0.015. 70,000 times 0.015 times the result, 270,000. That will give us 1,057.78. So the interest will be 1,057.78. This is our final answer for the interest using the actual time and the ordinary interest. So for letter D, again, we have I is equal to PRT. So again, that is 70,000. So for letter D, again, we have I is equal to PRT. So again, the principal is 70,000 times the rate of 0.02 times the time of approximate time, that is 268, divided by the ordinary interest, that is 360. So, multiply po again natin from right to left. So, we have 268 divided by 360. That is 0.74. Now, my dear students, kailangan po natin itong ipagpatuloy. And multiplying the result to 0.02, which is our rate, that will give us 0.15 approximately pa rin. Now, multiplying the result to 70,000, that will give us 1,042.22. So, the interest now is equal to 1,042.22. Now, my dear students, why is it not advisable for us to round off in the process of solving simple and compound interest? This is because I want to call your attention to this line here that we have solved along the process. So, di ba po, pare-parehas na 70,000 times 0.015. At kapag nagland tayo lagi dyan, at kapag yan yung in-input natin sa calculator, times 0.015, it is always 1,050 whether we are solving for the actual time exact interest, approximate time exact, and ordinary interest. So kung makikita nyo, each cent in simple and ordinary or simple and compound interest matters because yung mga pagkakaibang yun po, my dear students, yung nagdi-differentiate kung actual siya, approximate, exact, or ordinary. That's it for today, my dear students. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye!